Hello all. I am so far behind. This video is supposed to post today, 45 minutes ago, on May 20th, and I haven't made it yet. We'll see if it posts today at all. In general, I have been down with allergies for the last probably month, and in that time I've also been to Vegas in May and in Vegas in Alaska, and just really struggling. I did go to the doctor today and she gave me some new meds. We'll see how that goes. So if I sound funny, I apologize. But today's video is on making the magic ring. She talks about the magic ring and the chain ring and the pros and cons of each. I have always leaned toward the chain ring because I am not proficient in the magic ring at all. It is something I'd like to be better at because I do think that there are situations where it is more appropriate than the chain ring. So I'm going to give it a go and see if I can accomplish it. But so far, I've always found it to be frustrating. I also find that it seems like it uses a lot of extra yarn, but I don't know that's true. I guess I should compare it to a chain ring and see if it actually does use extra yarn or not, or if I'm just crazy. But let's see what she says. Place the yarn over your index finger and wrap it around the middle finger. So from the back, she's gone around twice, and then it looks like she pinched it. Insert the hook through both loops on the middle finger and grab the yarn. Well, see, I'm already wrong. She doesn't tell you which way this yarn is going. So I'm going to say that it should have been that way, perhaps. Like that, with the tail coming out this side. If I'm going to be grabbing the working yarn. Let's try that again. Through both hooks. I probably don't have enough tail right there. Shouldn't say how much. Draw the working yarn through both loops. I already know I don't have enough because it's already pulling off of my finger. My gosh. Oh, this is fun. I'm splitting my yarn and everything else. So that definitely will not accomplish what I want it to. There we go. Through both. Work a chain stitch to secure. Add the first round of stitches into the ring. I don't know. It doesn't really look secure to me, but maybe it is. I'm just going to do I've been doing a lot of snowflakes lately, and it's usually like 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like 6 stitches. Close the ring. To close the ring, first pull the loop that is coming out of the same space as the end. This will cinch the other loop. Pull the yarn end closed. So this one. Nope. This one. Okay, so that wasn't as terrible as I thought it was going to be. I think because of the 2 loops. In the past, I've only ever seen it with 1, like the videos on YouTube. Leave the ring on your finger when placing the first 2 stitches in the ring. Especially helps when adding stitches because it keeps the ring wide open. So my question is then, is this more yarn than if I had done a chain, although the chain is a little bit more difficult to pull closed. I'm going to draw a line with this Sharpie, because this is just scrap yarn anyway, right there. We'll do a little experiment. We will just pull this out. So with a chain, I would start with a much shorter tail, maybe. And I would chain probably 4 for 6 single crochets. Oops, I missed. Only got part of the chain there. I didn't pick a very good yarn today. Okay. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I did not join the other one, and I am essentially in the exact same spot. I don't know if you can see that, but there's my black mark. So I guess my presumption that it would waste yarn was incorrect, and I cannot, no matter how hard I try, pull this as tightly closed as I could the magic ring. So the answer here is that I need to practice with the magic ring, because obviously it's a good solution. I'm just not very good at it. Let's do it again, and we'll see. I did not need to hold it on my finger to keep it open, even though that is a recommendation. 3, 4, 5, 6. I think I just, nope, it's right there. So this time I didn't use quite as much. I also pulled the wrong string. Let me see. I have to pull this one first. Nope. See, that's something else I'm going to need practice with, is which string to pull first. I'm supposed to pull this, nope. This one first, and then pull it up. Nope. Okay, again. Those together. Move that over. It's a little bit awkward. Right there, I think I missed somehow, which might cause me grief in a minute. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, which one did she say to pull? To close the ring, pull the loop that is coming out of the same space as the end. So this is the same space as the end. This one, this one. There we go. And I've used the same amount of yarn every single time, so at least I'm consistent in that. So that is the magic ring. I will keep working on practicing on that one. Maybe I'll try it on some of my snowflakes that I have coming up. This video is going to be short and sweet today. Thanks for watching.